Mark Zuckerberg announced that Facebook will transition from being a social media company to being a metaverse company. This was in July 2021. However, the metaverse has become all the rage since then. If you want to understand what the metaverse is and the top metaverse cryptocurrencies to keep on your watch list, then stay put as we dive into this video. I am Chisom, your crypto girl, and before we get started, I would like to welcome you to Inside Crypto, where we talk about all things cryptocurrencies. Please subscribe, pin the notification bell, and like our videos so that we can grow beyond this. Back to Metaverse. What is Metaverse? Okay, let's take it back to the terminology. The term Metaverse is singular. We don't have metaverses. No, it is actually a Greek word where meta means going beyond, where verse means universe. Bringing these two words together, we have going beyond universe. Metaverse in today's technology is a 3D virtual reality world. Someone said that the best way to understand metaverse is to experience it yourself, and it is true. Think about it. Metaverse takes you to the real world, to a virtual reality world of imagination where everything becomes nearly possible. In this world, you can have avatars which represents you, and you can become whoever you want to be. Buy land, build houses, marry a wife, and have children. Dress up, go for party, meeting. You can have a real job on Metaverse and meet people from all parts of the world. And you can also engage in games with these people. This is where it gets more interesting. Let's take it to Metaverse in cryptocurrency. Metaverse has been in the crypto space even long before the Facebook announcement. But since the Facebook rebranding, Metaverse has been the hottest topic in the crypto space, as we saw many Metaverse tokens skyrocketing in value. What I will be doing here is to give you 5 of the hottest Metaverse tokens that I find promising and should be on your radar. The first one is Sandbox with the token Sand. Sand is a game on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows gamers to engage in a metaverse world where they can create, play, and monetize 3D NFT-based games for real-world money. One thing about the cryptocurrency metaverse is that you do not only interact with the virtual world, but there is also a possibility for you to make money. Sandbox has an NFT marketplace, and it has the 4th highest NFT sales by rank. Now, Sandbox has also released Alpha, which is the first play-to-earn game event that will last for some weeks. Maybe this event has ended by the time this video goes live. As a matter of fact, its token Sand grew by over 300% just in November, from $2 price worth to over $8. Although it is now selling at less than $5 as of the time of recording. Sand is also ranked the 2nd most valuable metaverse token by CoinGecko. Aside from hundreds of partnerships, there has also been a lot of development going on with this project, and that is why I see a lot of potential in this token. The second coin I want to talk about is Decentraland with the Mana token. Decentraland is also a 3D virtual reality world on the Ethereum blockchain. It allows you to explore, buy, create, own, and monetize virtual territories. The Mana token has been on the rise since this year, growing from 0.7 cents to $1.56 in May 2021, then hit $5 in November. It is currently trading at $2 worth as of the time of this recording. But it is not just about the price movement of this cryptocurrency. There are a lot of things to it. For instance, the Grayscale company has added Mana to their investment. Also, Decentraland redesigned its DAO and has integrated with Polygon to allow for low transaction fee. All those things happened this year. Not to mention the fact that major corporations such as Sotheby's and Bosons are among Decentraland's landowners. The third coin I want to talk about is ENJAIN with ENJ token. Engine is based on the Ethereum blockchain. It is an NFT platform where developers gain access to a variety of tools which they can use to create and monetize their games. ENJ powers every activities on Engine. Gamers can play these games to earn the ENJ token. They can also acquire NFT gaming assets and will be able to move it from one game to another. Where it gets interesting is that each gaming asset contains a certain amount of ENJ. Gamers may decide to melt it to get ENJ or sell it as an NFT on the marketplace. And this makes both the gaming asset and the ENJ token extremely valuable. The theory behind this is simple. When more ENJ is removed to mint NFT, ENJ becomes increasingly scarce and in turn valuable. A long list of companies are partnering with Engine, including Microsoft, which has launched a game on Engine. Engine has also created working products like the Engine Wallet, JumpNet, NFT Marketplace, and are itching to launch Affinity, their NFT blockchain. Because ENJ powers this product, it simply means that the token has the potential to grow as they receive more adoption. The fourth is Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is one metaverse coin that has blown the crypto space away. The game is built on the Ethereum blockchain and has grown so big that over 250,000 people play it every day. And not just that, it is also pretty rewarding. AXX is Axie Infinity's token and it has done exceptionally well, rising from a price of approximately 0.5 cents in January 2021 to a price of over $165 in November 2021. As of this recording, it is sitting at the price of more than $102. On Axie Infinity, you can breed, raise, trade, and battle with NFTs called Axies to earn ASS tokens as well as SLP tokens, another Axie Infinity native token. Impressively, news had it that an Axie Infinity player from the Philippines have purchased 2 houses with profits earned through playing this game. However, the game is very expensive that it might not be affordable to average game players. And this is because Axies are used to play games and they are so expensive that the cheapest Axie costs over $60 and you need 3 Axies to play this game. But I am glad that the team has tried to do something about this by supporting a scholarship program where users can lend their Axies to average gamers for a portion of their reward, and also by building the running network and Ethereum side chain created to host Axie Infinities to allow for cheaper transactions. As of this recording, Axie Infinity is ranked the #1 Metaverse blockchain project. MetaHero is the last Metaverse token that I want to talk about. It is a next-gen NFT token that uses real-world space to create a world of ultra-realistic 3D avatars, visual items, and NFTs. It achieved this by placing 3D metascanners in strategic locations around the world. With the 3D metascanner, anyone can create a digital representation of themselves or any physical project and use them for gaming, video posting, social media, and a lot more. Gladly, MetaHero has launched their first 3D metascanner in Dubai, and Hero, their native token, has done over 10,000% since its launch. Now, the MetaHero is also anticipating to launch Everdome, which is a token and a project which will kick off MetaHero's Metaverse. Many people are already anticipating the launch of this token, and this is because of how excellent the MetaHero token has done. As a matter of fact, Jude Mano in his YouTube channel predicts that this token will do over 100x when it launches. This brings us to the end, and I want to make this clear: nothing in this video is financial advice, as I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your due diligence before investing in any of these tokens. So guys, I would like to get your opinion. How much do you think the Metaverse will disrupt the future? Do you think I left out any promising Metaverse token? Put down your comments and do not forget to like and subscribe. So then, bye.